Hello mortals! Today we are going to have a look at things your robot can't work without. Components. But before we begin, pause the video for a moment and think, are there any similarities between humans and robots? Just like in the science fiction world maybe. Hit play when you're ready. Did you find any? You'll be surprised to know that the robots are not humans, they're somewhat human-like. In a sense that they have a body, with parts like skeleton, muscles, senses, legs, hands, and a brain. In this video, we'll talk about everything except senses and brain, which we'll take up in the next video. What if you had no hands? How would you play video games or have your favorite delicacies? You need hands to do stuff, man, and so do robots. Just that what they have aren't exactly hands and that they don't exactly eat stuff. What they have is called an end effector, and these end effectors can be of different types. The most common one being a gripper. Now grippers allow robots to pick stuff, hold them and drop them someplace else. And now these grippers can be of different shapes and sizes depending upon the application. Imagine you're chatting with that special friend of yours and your phone beeps low on battery and the charging point feels miles away on the other end of the room. Feel lucky, dude, you have legs to go there. Similarly, robots, particularly the mobile ones, need something to help them move around. Now this something is wheels, which are attached to motors which turn them and allow these mobile robots to move around. Now before you rush to the nearby supermarket, there is something that needs your attention. For an object to be stable, there need to be at least 3 points of contact with the ground. Your car has 4, your bike has 2, but only while moving. The moment it stops, you need to put your foot on the ground. Try not doing it the next time and tell me what happens. Now, in our case, we'll have 2 wheels and a caster wheel, which has a small sphere inside it which can rotate freely and move in any direction. A robot, just a second, just like humans, have muscles, only I never had enough of them. Now these muscles are called actuators, which allow a robot to respond to its surrounding environment, like moving hands and moving its feet. In our case, we'll use DC motors and servo motors as actuators. Now, you may have used them or at least heard of them from previous courses. So far, we've learned about the hands, the legs, and the muscles. But what are they without a skeleton? Just a random pile of useless stuff? For a body to look like a body, a skeleton is must. Similarly, for a robot to work like a robot, a skeleton is must, which in robot terms is called a chassis. In our case, we'll use a base plate as a chassis, onto which you'll be mounting everything from end effectors to actuators. Though we are done with the body, to make it work, we need a few more things. Wanna know what they are? You'll have to wait for our next video.